Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out this CIGMAN laser level. If you are kind of handy. Oh nice, this comes with a sweet little bag here. Open this up. Oh wow. It's got extra batteries, 2 extra batteries there. We got our user's manual. Looks like some kind of little leveling device here as well. Very cool. Our charging thing. We got a little remote as well, so you don't have to be right on there. You can, I'll check that out. That is pretty sweet. It's green laser, so easy to see. Got our batteries right here on the bottom. Let's throw one in there. Okay, we have a little mount here thing for there if you have like a bipod. It goes on there like that. We got a little tool here for like leveling, so you can screw this in if you want to do minor adjustments to like make that a little higher or lower. Put that on there and crank that up or down. Very cool. Just like minute adjustments here. And then we have this. All right, so if you really want to be able to adjust this different ways, let's see here. Cranks that up and then we can lock that into place. This also has magnets on there on the bottom, so you need to stick it on a wall or something and mount this. I installed a shower a while ago and it was really difficult to get the level right because I had tiles coming up on the side, but the tiles weren't level, and I was trying to level that off. Yeah, this would have come in like super handy. Let's see, this thing cranks along here. I think, yeah, so you just crank this and it moves on this little statue, on this little platform here. So we can screw that on there. I think it just with this thing. All right, didn't think it'd be turning that much. So we can lock this on. This can be adjusted. It's going to blink when it's not level. You set it on there, then it's going to self-level. Because I had it locked. Okay, so that's what I was saying. If you lock it in, then it's going to be like that. So now check that out. So even though this isn't level, it self-levels. So now it's like perfect. These things are floating in there with their own little like gyros or whatever. So it's like going to be like perfectly level on there. And then if it's not level, that'll like flash on and off. So very cool. If you guys need like a nice laser for your projects, this can stick on, like it's magnetic, it'll stick on there. Nice little platform here. It comes with this thing as well. Whoa. So if I wanted to stick it onto somewhere and I didn't have like maybe I could put it on a 2x4, screw that on there, and then oh my goodness, that's on there. Then you can just take that off or whatever. Here we have another little device, and I'm not even sure what this does, but it might be a little beyond my scope here. But guys, this is a very handy tool if you've ever needed to level something, and instead of me going over here and like trying to hold up a level. Have you ever like tried to hang a picture and you're trying to hold a level and screw into something at the same time? With this, you just go over there, stick it in there, and you're good to go. So, I mean, this is super handy. You've had a tripod to put this on, self-leveling, all that. Guys, is really cool. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. Yeah, also with the remote, I think there's a battery in there. Might have to open this up real quick. Oh, maybe I can open it with this. Yes, I can. There is a battery in there. Maybe if I hold down the power button. Okay. Oh yeah, check that out. So I can just turn off the vertical ones if I want, or turn them back on the horizontal ones with a click. Turn them back on. Turn on the different lasers, and then I can adjust the brightness, I think. Flashing, on, dimmer, 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 and bright. Okay. A very sweet device here, my friends. Yeah, I'll be using this a lot probably. Thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.